सरस्वती पूजा से लक्ष्मी को साधने का संकल्प, और यही संकल्प इस मंच का भी है। यानी अनुसंधान के द्वारा भारतवर्ष का विकास। इस फोरम से जुड़ी संस्था इसी प्रयास में लगी हुई है। भारतीय उद्योगों से जुड़ी संस्था फिक्की ने इस दिशा में कई कदम उठाए हैं। उन्हीं कदमों में से एक है मिलेनियम अलायंस प्रोग्राम, जिसके द्वारा सामाजिक उत्थान से जुड़े अनुसंधानों को व्यावसायिक रूप देकर जन उपयोगी बनाया जा रहा है।
See, Millennium Alliance is basically a corpus fund we have set up for social impact, investing in good innovation in line with the mission of what our Prime Minister has given direction for Make in India and bringing innovations for social sectors. So we are addressing all the important areas which PM and the government is trying to create a reform in the country. Like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, clean sanitation, water, you talk about smart cities, you talk about Ganga Cleaning Action Program, you talk about affordable health, you talk about Digital India, and Millennium Alliance is a corpus fund of $50 million. We are shortly going to raise it to 100 with the help of many financial institutions and a lot of international social investors are joining hand.
इसके लिए फिक्की ने कई संस्थाओं को भी अपने साथ जोड़ा है। इस प्रोग्राम को केवल भारत से ही नहीं बल्कि अन्य विकसित देशों से भी सहायता मिल रही है।
We're running this competition in India's low-income states because that's where the challenges are much more, and this competition unearths new social enterprises with innovative delivery methods, provides them grant capital and technical assistance, and links them to financiers. We've been doing this internally. We've got the knowledge and the expertise, and now we are scaling up our knowledge. Knowledge multiplies when you share. So now we are a knowledge partner with the SAARC Development Fund, a fund set up by 8 SAARC countries, and we are working with them on their social enterprise development program using our expertise. And they will do the same competition, technical assistance, and provide financing to social enterprises in all 8 countries. But the key element is South-South. How do we transfer knowledge from one country to the other when the social problems are the same?
फिक्की के इस दिशा में किए गए प्रयासों का फल भी अब दिखने लगा है।
The Millennium Alliance has been a great partnership for Qatar. We were one of the awardees 2 years ago, and it's given us not just the confidence to do our work well, but it's also helped us to realize that innovation is not enough. What you really want, innovativeness. It's a constant, consistent innovation that is needed when you're working with children and you're working with communities which are on the edge of poverty. And that is what I think the Millennium Alliance has actually helped us to do.